Hello students, good morning all of you. Students, in chapter 4 there are some topics have been finished like multiplication of decimal, division of decimal and also conversion of units is just finished. So students, this is the time for solve some word problems of this chapter, which in this exercise 4.4 there are some word problems are given. So today we will solve some word problems of exercise 4.4. So let's start. In question number 1 is a car runs 420.18 kilometer in 35.25 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल. एक कार है जो इतने किलोमीटर इतने लीटर पेट्रोल में डिस्टेंस कवर करता है. ठीक है. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस द कार कवर्स इन 1 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल. एंड some question are also included in this question that if the cost of the petrol is rupees 63 per liter, then what is the cost of petrol for running 420.18 km. So student, in question number first there are two questions are given. First of all you have to find this solution of this question, then after you have to find the solution of this question. And this question number in question number this is the example of unitary method problem. Okay, so you have studied in class 5th and 4th also that how can we solve the unitary problem. So let's start. Solution. So you have to write distance covered in 35.2 liter of petrol is equal to how many kilometer? 420.18 kilometer. Then distance covered in 1 liter of petrol, you have to divide this by this. 420.18 upon 35.25. Student, look this type of decimal. This is the example of this division of decimal by another decimal. So student, I have explained in previous video that how can we divide the decimal by another decimal. First of all you have to remove both the decimal, and in this problem the same number of digits, the decimal is putting the same number before the same number of digits. So this is we can easily remove the decimal. Then we can write 42018 upon 3525. Okay, so you have to divide or you have to simplify this. 4 to 6, 6 1 7 and 15 and 3 5 8 8 to 10. This number is divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12, 3 zeros are 0 and 3 6s are 18. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are also 3, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. Now 3 6 are 18, 3 0 are 0, 3 4 are 12, 6 4 10 and 9 11 and 5 1 6, 5 1 6, 6 1 7, 7 7 14. Now this can be divided by this. 1 1 7 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 9 minus 7 is 2. Here 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 5 is 10. 2 7 is 14. 2 5 is 10. 2 3 6. 1 times 1 1 7 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 4. 14 minus 1 is 7. Here 1. Let me check what is the answer of this question is. .92. .92 is the answer. Let me check that how can we find the 11.92. Here yes, this 6 is also, so we can write 9 5 is 45, 4 carry, 9 7 is 63 and 4 57 and 1 9 or 6. 10 minus 5 is 5 and here sorry, we have to write first 6, then after we have to put the decimal, then 9 5 is 55, 9 7 is 63 and 4 67 and 9 or 6 15. Here some mistakes are given here. Here we can write 6. Okay, so again we divide this by this, then 1175. 6 minus 5 is 1. 15 minus 7 is 8. Now we can write 6 here and put the decimal and write this 0. Now we can write 6 minus 5 is 1 and 15 minus 7 is 8. So we can write 1175 into 9, then we can get 9 5 is 55, 9 7 is 63 and 4 67 and 1 9 or 6 15 and 9 or 1 10. This is very large number, so we can write 8 5 is 40, 8 7 is 56 and 4 60, 8 1 is 8 or 8 1 is 8 and 6 15, 9400. Times 5 is 1, 15 minus 7 is 15 minus 7 is 8, here 1 minus 1 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now you can write 9 5 is 55, 4 carry, 9 7 is 63 or 4 67 and another 9 or 6 15 and another 9 or 1 10. Put the decimal here. 10 5 7 5. Now we can write 10 minus 5 is 5 and 11 minus 7, sorry, 10 minus 7 is 3 and 7 minus 5 is 2 and 2 5 is 10 2 7 is 14 or 15, 2 1 is 2 and 3, 2 1 is 2. Okay, so this the answer of this question is 11.92 kilometer. This is the solution of first question. Now we are moving our next question, that is the additional question of this, that what if the cost of the petrol is 63 per liter, then what would be the cost of petrol for running this kilometer. Okay, now cost of the cost, what would be the cost of petrol for running. Now since given cost of one liter petrol is 63 rupees, and cost of 35.25 liter of petrol is, you have to find. Okay, so given cost of 1 liter petrol is 63 rupees, then cost of 35 total number of quantity of petrol is 35.25 liter petrol is equal to, simply you have to multiply, because in unitary method of question, if you given the quantity of 1 liter for 1, then you have to simply multiply. So we can multiply 63 by 35.25, then we can write 35.25 into 63, 3015, 3 to the 6 7, 7 3 5 15, 3 to the 9 or 1 10, 6 5 30, 6 to the 12 or 3, 15, 6 5 30 or 1 31, 6 to the 18, into 1 5 7 5 5 10, 1 1 2 1 1 2 into, you can write 2 2 2 0.75 rupees. This is the second answer. So students, before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. So students, we are moving on next question. Question number 3 is the cost of 2 dozen bananas is 154.80 rupees. Then what will be the cost of 1 banana? So this is the another example of unitary problem. Let's start the solution of this question. That given cost of 2 dozen bananas, 2 dozens. So student, you are all know about what is the value of 1 dozen. 1 dozen means 12. So 2 dozen means cost of 2 dozens, that is 2 into 12, it means 24. 2 into 12 means 24. Cost of 2 dozen, that is 24 bananas, is equal to 154.80 rupees. Then cost of 1 banana is equal to, you have to divide this by 24. Now student, this is the example of decimal number by a natural number. So first of all, you have to remove the decimal like this and put the 20, because here 2 the decimal is has written before 2 digit. Now we can write 80.2400. This 0 is cancelled by this, then we can write 1548 upon 240. This is divisible by 2. This is also divisible by 2. 2 7 is 14. 1 carry 2 7 is 14. 2 4 is 8. 2 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6. 1 carry 2 8 is 16. 1 carry 2 7 is 14. Now this is divisible by 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 20 is 60. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6 and 3 9 is 27. Now you can write 129 upon 20. Now we have to divide 129 by 20. Then we can write 9 20 80 6.45 this is the answer. Let me check the answer is correct or not. 6.45 4.4. Question number 3. Yes, it is correct. So student, before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. So student, we are moving on next question. Question number 5 is the product of two decimal numbers is 58.225. If one of them is 2.5, then find the other number. So student, these type of question, the solution you have to find the solution. It is very easy. If this type of question are given, then you have to simply divide the first number. You have to divide the product by the first number. Then you can get the second number. So apply this method. We are starting the solution of this question is given product of two decimal numbers is equal to 58.225. One number is equal to 2.5, then the other number is equal to 58.225 divided by 2.5. So students, this is the example of decimal division of decimal number by another decimal number. So first of all, you have to remove the decimal with the help of the previous concept. How can we remove the decimal? Here the decimal is written before 3 digits, so we can put 30, and here the decimal written before one digit, so here we can put 10. So we can write 582250 upon 25000. Now we can remove this 0, so we can write again 58225 upon 2500. Okay, now this number is divisible by 5. 5 5 is 25, 00. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 3 carry, 5 6 are 30, 2 carry, 5 4 are 20, 2 carry, 5 5 are 22. 100, 5 2 is 10, 1 carry, 5 3 is 15, 1 carry, 5 2 is 10, 5 9 is 45. Now we can write 2329 upon 100. So this is the example of decimal fraction. So we can write 23.29 because this 0, both the 0 is carrying this number. Then put the decimal before 29. Then we can get 23.29 is the answer. Let me check the answer is correct or not. 23.29. Yes, it is correct. Student, this is the example. This is the another example of previous concept, because you are all know about how can we divide the decimal number by another decimal number, and how can we divide the decimal number by multiples of 10. So this is the your practicing of previous concept. Okay, so student, before moving on next question, pass the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. So student, we are moving another question. Question number 6 is the thickness of the one tile is 8 millimeter. If the pile of one tile is 56.4 centimeter high, then how many tiles are there in the pile? So student, basically this question is based on the previous topic, that conversion of unit, because here the quantity, one quantity is given in millimeter and one quantity is given in centimeter. So this is the this question can't be solved if before converting both the unit same. बच्चों, यूनिट सेम करने जब तक यूनिट सेम नहीं करेंगे तब तक ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं हो पाएगा. तो इसके लिए हमें उस प्रीवियस कॉन्सेप्ट को जो है देखना होगा जिसमें आपने पढ़ा था कन्वर्जन ऑफ यूनिट्स, जो लेजर वाला मैंने बताया था. तो लेजर वाला उसको आप मेमोराइज करेंगे तो इसमें क्या करेंगे, सेंटीमीटर क्या होता है, मिलीमीटर से ऊपर होता है, सेंटीमीटर तब मिलीमीटर, याद है ना आपको. तो सेंटीमीटर से जब मिलीमीटर में हम जाएंगे तो लार्ज से स्मॉल में जाएंगे तो क्या करेंगे, हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. किससे करेंगे, 10 से करेंगे. So let's start the solution. Height of pile of one tile is equal to 46.4 centimeter. Then 46.4 into 10, that is 464 millimeter. Okay, so student, why I am converting this centimeter into millimeter? Because if you convert large unit to small unit, then it is better for solving. It is better for calculation. Okay, so that's why I am converting this large unit into small unit. And thickness of one tile is equal to 8 millimeter. Then number of tiles in the pile, simply you have to divide this by this, 464 upon 8, 8 from the 8, 8 5 is the 40 and 8 is the 64, then you can get 58 tiles. Okay, so this is the answer. Now students, I hope you are understand our problem, that how can we solve our problem. Student, first of all you have to read the question very carefully. Then after you have to write the solution in like this word. Okay, so many students write the only calculation for solving the problem. So this is wrong, student, because you have given you will give the half marks. Okay, so keep in mind that how can we solve our problem. First of all you have to write this way, then after you have to solve this way. Okay, so student, you have to solve the remaining question from 1 to 6. जो 1 से 6 में मैंने क्वेश्चन छोड़ दिए हैं वो आपको अपने आप से लगाने हैं, खुद से लगाने हैं. लेकिन सबसे पहले इन सभी क्वेश्चंस को आप देख लीजिए एक बार, तब आप कोशिश करिए लगाने का, और वीडियो को शुरू से अंत तक देखिए. ओके, तभी आपको शुरू से अंत तक देखें, तब देखेंगे तभी आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा. ओके, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग विद अस. I will discuss the next remaining question in next video. Okay.